Hey guys, so we're about to go inside to go see some wax people. And we'll see.
At Madame Tussauds,
Yep.
Wax
And
Museum.
we'll see how that goes. There's Madonna.
Got me. That scared me so bad.
I'm on a boat.
I got my foot beat puppies. Ponce de Leon. Take pictures. Go do it. Alright, who's watching this? Take a screenshot of this for us. Stand like he is. Let me get a close up. Screenshot it. Uncle Sam.
So funny. I've already done that. Alright, let's warm it up over here.
Brian. Brian. He's tall, huh? Guys, this is why I like coming here. Because you get to see Walt himself.
We're going to do
Look, Walt. Do you think he would have been happy?
No.
That's Madame Tussauds herself. You can also do your wax hands here. Yeah. Look, Neil Patrick Harris. Neil Patrick Harris.
Look, Taylor Swift. Oh look, I have bigger hands than
Neil. Holy crap, that scared the
Can you bend it like that?
There's my boy.
Best quarterback in history. They didn't even look like her.
You don't think so?
No. She doesn't look like Belle at all.
Are you that upset?
Actually, Leonardo looks like Leonardo.
Well, that was our fast tour in Hathaway.
Hey guys, so we just finished up.
It takes, if you kind of want a fast pace and go fast, it's like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
But they added more comic book people. There's singers. Marilyn Monroe's not in there at this time.
No.
And neither was there a couple other ones, but there's some different ones and new ones as well.
So I will put down below the link for how much it costs to come to see, and they have a whole bunch of different packages and stuff. So we'll probably, it's not that bad honestly, but
For a cool date night or
Yeah.
something to do.
yeah, because you can go to the wheel and go 400 feet in the air. So, but yeah, so that concludes our video here at the vacuum museum.